Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Laws of trade. Ruling on selling something after the Azan of Jumu'ah. Question. What do the scholars of Islam and the muftis of the mighty Sharia say regarding the following matter? What is the ruling regarding a person who has already offered the Jumu'ah Salah, purchasing something from a shopkeeper who has not yet offered Jumu'ah Salah, while the Azan has already taken place in the masjid that the shopkeeper will offer Jumu'ah in? Al-Jawabu bi'awnil Malikil Wahhab. Allahumma hidayat al-haqqi was-sawab. Answer. Even though the buyer has already offered Jumu'ah, however, in the aforementioned scenario, it is not permissible for the shopkeeper to sell any goods, and endeavor for Jumu'ah has become wajib upon him. Therefore, purchasing anything from him is to aid him in committing a sin, and it is not permissible to do so. Wallahu a'lamu azza wa jalla wa rasuluhu a'lamu sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Ruling on the shopkeeper keeping the reward received from a product himself. Question. What do the scholars of Islam and the muftis of the mighty Sharia say regarding the following matter? Sometimes companies give some extras with certain products, for example, ketchup, jam, custard, sachets, etc., which the company gives to the customer as part of scheme. We remove these sachets and sell them in our shop. Is it permissible for us to do this? Al-Jawabu bi'awnil Malikil Wahhab. Allahumma hidayat al-haqqi was-sawab. Answer. It is from the foundational principles of trading that when a person purchases a thing, he becomes the owner of the said thing, and he may make use of that thing as he wishes in any permissible manner. He is not answerable to the seller for this. For example, a person purchased a house and the house was transferred to his name. The seller cannot now force the buyer to rent out the house to his relative or to sell it back to him when he sells it, because once the buying and selling has concluded, then both of them have become disengaged. The purchaser is now not bound by such rights. If we were to observe it in the light of this principle, then the ruling becomes clear that if a shopkeeper receives a product that comes with an extra attached, and the shopkeeper has purchased that product, then that extra thing is also included within the buying, and the thing will come into the possession of the buyer. It is now not necessary upon him to give that extra to any customer that purchased that product from him. If he does not give that extra to a customer, he will not be guilty of any Sharia wrongdoing. However, if it is viewed through the lens of trading ethics, then There are certain marketing tools that are beneficial for the shopkeeper if he adheres to them. Whenever a company launches a gift scheme, they publicize it widely so that by means of the gift scheme, the customer comes to them instead of going to another company, and the company's sales increase through this. If the shopkeeper does not give that extra to the customer, the company's sales will not increase and that product will not sell as well, and the shopkeeper will not make as much profit either. However, if he gives that extra to the customer in accordance to the scheme, not only will the company's sales increase, but the shopkeeper himself will also benefit because his income will increase, and the purpose behind the company launching that scheme will also be fulfilled. Therefore, it is a requirement of trade ethics that the product should be given to the customer in the same state that it is received from the company. There is also benefit for trading in this. Note: in this answer, the extra thing that is bundled together with the main thing is generally known as a gift. However, in terms of fiqh, this is considered as part of the product. Therefore, if one knows that such and such thing is for such and such amount, the intention will be that both things are being purchased together, and when the extra gift is not included in the sale, the product will consist of one item. والله أعلم عز وجل ورسوله أعلم صلى الله عليه